Magandang umaga sa inyo. Ah, kumusta? Ngayon dito sa lugar na ito, ang medyo makulimlim, umuulan, may ulan ng konti. So, ngayon nandito tayo sa park, yung dating pinagkuhanan ko ng video kung saan yung mga elders, yung mga retirado, dito sila naglalaro. Maalala nyo yung binidyo ko noon na na-upload ko na yung mga laro nila, yung ground ball, ang ano, ang tawag doon, ground uh, ball, ground game. Okay, so andito sila ngayon kahit umuulan pala, andito sila, itong mga elders dito sa Japan. So ipapakita ko, nag-uumpisa na silang ilatag yung mga ano nila, yung mga equipments, okay? So tingnan natin. Okay, mga kaibigan. Punta tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan sila. Okay, so kukunti pa lang sila ngayong umaga. Ang mga alas 8 ngayon eh. Ayan, umuulan eh. So lalapitan natin itong mga ginagawa nila. Ayan, ito, nilatag na nila itong flag. Tapos nilalagay yung mga cones doon. O kunti pa lang sila, wala pa yung mga iba, yung mga lolo na iba, wala pa sila. Ano? Ayan, yan. Ayan, yan. Oh. Ayan sila. Nag-uusap-usap muna, inaantay yung mga ibang kasama. Pero nakalatag na sila, mga kaibigan. Di ba? Yung mga sinabi ko noon na mga flags. Ayan, makikita nyo. Nakalatag na yung mga flags. Yung mga 10 flags yan. Ayan, 1 to 10 ang flags na yan. O, ayan. Yung orange cone na yan, dyan sila mag-uumpisa. So again, sasabihin ko ulit, 5. Ang isang group is 5 katao. Either babae o lalaki. Okay, so ayan, nakalatag na lahat. Yung number 10 nandito. Flag number 10. Okay. Ayan, so naantayin nila yung ibang kasama nila. Okay, ayan. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Oh, wala pa eh. Hopefully na ano, hindi lalakas yung ulan. Okay. Ayan, daming flag. Basta 10 flag ito. Ground ball. Yung golf, ground golf. Ano? Ground golf. Again, ulitin ko. The same as yung scheme is parehas yung gamit na ano, hindi naman actually. Yung pamalo ng golf, pero mas malaki yung palo nila eh. No, parang palo ng sa green ng golf. Yung gamit sa kung nasa green ka na sa golf, green area. Ayan yung nakalimutan ko na eh yung tawag doon. Yung palo na yun. Isang palo lang, again, ulitin ko ulit. Isang palo lang kada ito yung difference ng golf. Yung golf maraming palo 'yun eh. Isang bag 'yun na isang katutak na palo. Golf club na sinasabi. Club sa golf club 'yun. Yung mga palo na marami. May numbers din 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Wedge, yan may wedge yung sinasabi ko. Wedge, parang wedge ito pero parang may plastic siya at saka kahoy. So yung golf, malalaking bola 'yon na malalaki sa golf. Colored na parang plastic siya, rubberized plastic. Mga rubberized plastic. Oh, ayan, nag-uusap-usap sila. Ayan, yan. Ayan, kung sino siguro yung grupo-grupo. Okay, again, may score sheet sila, di ba? Pinakita ko nung una, may score sheet, di ba? Ayan, so ito yung playground na dito sila lahat naglalaro. Kung natapos sila, may iba naman na ginagamit ito ng mga estudyante, yung mga binata sa paglalaro ng soccer, softball, baseball, ayan, tsaka ito. So, by schedule sila. Palagay ko, twice a week itong mga to Itong elders ng Japan na ito. Pensyonado itong mga to. So, dito lang sila nagre-relax para, di ba, exercise is a good product of good health. So, when you have good health, that is a wealth. Di ba? Health is wealth. Ika nga. Right? There. So, ayan sila. Usap-usap. So, kita nyo yung paanoin ko itong para maluwang. Ayan. Ayan. Ching-ching-ching-ching. Maluwang. So, sa kabila, ano yan eh. School sa kabila yan. Ibang, sa kabila ng kahoy na yan. School ng mga, elementary. Tapos sa kabila, the other side is high school. Senior, junior high. Hindi lang makita rito, kaya tatakpan ng kahoy. Pero kita nyo yung building. Yan, so ikot tayo. Sasama ko kayo, iikutan natin ito. Okay? Itong cone na ito, na sinasabi ko. Dito sila mag-uumpisa, lahat ng cone. So ito yung starting point. Okay? Ayan, ayan. Kung apat na, number 4, di ba? Asan yung number 4 dito? Andun. Number 4 ito, lahat ng grupo number 4 papunta ron, yung pinanggalingan natin, number 4 na flag yon. Okay? So ito number 5. Ito siguro mga 100 meters eh. 100 meters sa kalayo to. Oh, kada isang isang tawag dito corner ay isang number is lahat pare-pare siya. So about 100 meters. So ito number 5. Yung number 5 na ito, hanapin natin yung number 5. Okay. Ayun, nandun. Ito. Ayan. Ito. Number 5. Ayan. Okay. You see? So it's number 5. So from here, okay. From here, starting point, going to the flag number 5 over there. Right? So the same. So when this number 10, so this number 10 over there, the other side. So that goes to number 6. As you can see, the flag number 6. So where's the number 6? I think it's here. It's here, over here. That's the number 6. Okay? There. That's the number 6. So again, they will start from here. From here. Where's that? Here. Okay? From here, going straight to number 6. That one. Okay? I will show you what is that flag. What is that flag? What is the function of that flag? So at my back, we have a flag here. Number 5. Example. So you're gonna see what is the function of this. So there's a circle still on it. So when put the flag, the ball must come here inside. Okay, here inside. Okay, so in one pack, when they hit this in one time, well, they have the high score. They have a full score. I don't. Maybe next time, I will interview some of the head here, and I will ask if what is the point system here. Okay, is it 100 points if the ball is straight that went inside the ring. Okay, maybe that's 100 points. Okay, so maybe they give each players 100 points, and they will deduct. When they play, and as the scoring goes on. Right? I hope I am clear again, and hope you enjoy viewing this. Right? This is interesting. The elder ones in Japan, I think this is a standard, even though in the other prefecture. I've been in the other prefecture, and it's the same. Like this, they have all. Even though you search in the YouTube about ground game or ground ball games of the elderly, whether uh, he's retired, he has retired, or just a simple uh, elderly in Japan, right? So there they are. They're waiting for their companions, their other members. So, but while the wait, the rain has come. I think it's gonna burst, but it's not. The rain here is just like a sprinkle of the watering equipment, a little plastic that has is a little hole in it. You sprinkle on the plants for watering plants. That's it. That's the rain here in Japan. Okay. So okay, until here only. So I see again, even though it's raining, they're still playing. Okay, just to satisfy their eager to satisfy, or to have at least keep in their mind that they have exercise, they have uh, they have their skills or their body work. Okay, parts of the body works. So that's it. See you. May you have a good day today. And again, keep always keep safety. Okay. Once again, have a good day. And here it's raining. This is a sprinkle, just the sprinkle rain. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but here it is. It's going to my hair, and it's wet. See, it's wet already. Something like wet. Okay. See you then. Keep safe, everyone.